Alright, I'm testing out this microphone. See if it's working. Testing out the microphone, checking on the baby. Testing out the microphone, checking on the baby. Testing out the microphone, checking on the baby. And we getting into a vlog today. Bang! Yeah, what's good, y'all? It's your boy. We about to head out to this Harry Potter fair. We're going to the 4th annual return to Hogsmeade Village vendor and food truck fair in Orange. So we're gonna go out there, try some food, see what they got for some Harry Potter stuff. So I'm gonna zoom out there and I'll meet y'all out there. Bang. Thanks. Fucking mad traffic today, bro. Oh, I took the small straw, did I? The fuck? Give me a short ass straw. Torch. Tastes mad GMO, genetically modified. It doesn't taste like coffee. Look at that, that is baby. Oh my goodness. So big. We just pulled up to this Harry Potter fair. It used to be called Christmas in July. They changed the name to Welcome to Hogsmeade or some shit like that. I see a bunch of food trucks and tents and shit. We're gonna tap in and see what's up. You see it, free necklace upon entrance. Zyla, say hi. Say hi, baby. And the mama's right there.
And a water, right? God, you'll never split. All right, that's $15.94. I'm gonna have you tap right here, sir.
All right, y'all. I'm about to try this Trolly Dog place.
Hello.
Hot dog's looking crazy. Glizzy's looking crazy. About to try this shit out. Let y'all know. I don't fuck with it.
Thank you. You added a $5. Hello.
Hi. Can I do the California?
Yep. Cash or card?
Cash.
$12. What's your name?
John. John Cena. John Cena. It's the California Glizzy. It's got nacho sauce and some homemade chili. Pretty decent size and a pretty big bun. They cut the hot dog in half. Some Trolly Dogs. $12 for this. You see it, let's tap in and see what's up. Got this Trolly Dog here. Got a toasted bun, I like that. Good snap on the dog. It's a big ass glizzy. Pause. Oh yeah, that's torch. Oh yeah. Just don't like that. It's torch. The hot dog's like seasoned. It's got a real good snap to it. It's kind of thick, kind of like a kielbasa. Come on. Come on, why are you crying? That's a grumpy dunker. That my mama's right there. Let me try this tossed chicken. Should look like some...
You got the right idea. Oh, yeah.
Should look like some Chinese chicken. And you got ranch, you never get ranch.
I know. You don't like the sauce?
That is gross. Fucking is gross. That is disgusting. I'm gonna throw this away.
Toss that up too.
It tastes mad sweet, like disgusting. Give that shit like a 0.
For real?
That shit was nasty. It's like all like jiggly wiggly. No crunch. Overpowered with like sweet and sour. It's not even sweet chili, it's like sweet and sour. It's just nasty. Tossed in sauce, garbage. All them motherfuckers in line right there, I should go warn them that this shit is trash. I ain't gonna do that to them, no, I ain't gonna fuck up their money and shit. I ain't no hater. Sauce and toss, fucking trash. So far at this Harry Potter event, it don't feel like a Harry Potter event at all.
I feel like they just called it that because there's like no Harry Potter.
I seen one person wearing a Harry Potter shirt, but overall those Trolly Dogs were pretty good. But that chicken was fucking trash. Tossed chicken, fucking garbage. Overall, this Harry Potter shit was a dub. I know Harry Potter. Shit was a dub. I fuck with that Trolly Dog though. That shit was fire. No hype shit. Look at you being a big. Hey, get that out of your mouth.
What are we gonna do with that thing?
Throw it out the window when we drive. Fuck it. They're fucking biodegradable.
Is that a better?
Ah, you stupid. Alright, what's next? Nice little peaceful park walk. I don't know the name of the Silver Lake Park. Alright. Massachusetts. This is Athol, Massachusetts, Silver Lake Park. Pretty cool.
Okay, it's okay.
Come on.
Look, they're swinging. That is so cool.
I just dropped off my girl and my baby. I'm about to. That Harry Potter place was alright. Like, food trucks was alright. But I'm still hungry for real. Like, I know my girl's hungry, so I gotta go get them. I gotta go get her some food. I'm gonna get myself some food. We're gonna go to this spot called Papous Pizza in Leominster. It's not that well known. I think people should know about it. I'm about to go get a steak and cheese calzone and some French fries. And I put y'all on. I think people should know about this spot. This spot is pretty fire. I fuck with this place. And I think y'all gonna fuck with it too if you guys go check them out. Leominster. I think it's on Central Street. But yeah, we go zoom out there, pick this up, come back and review it at the crib.
Just know it's up. Chopstick came with a lost more man. As a clip in a nigga, I ain't got no ass.
Package secured. And it's smelling delicious. It's smelling cheesy. About to zoom back to the crib and give this a review. Papous Pizza, Central Street, Leominster, in the little plaza, Leominster Plaza, next to Garibaldi's and Classics Pub, and Leominster Wash and Fold, and Primerica, and etc. Sheesh. You see it. The cheesy zone. So this is the Papous steak and cheese calzone. Highly recommend you use the red dip marinara sauce. Nice and chunky. That should look good. Super cheesy. Cheese going crazy. Marinara sauce is mad hot. Bread is perfect. Shit is top tier. So you guys get an idea of what I'm talking about here. If you like steak and cheese, go down to Papoo's in Leominster. Get yourself a steak and cheese calzone. Won't regret it. Steak and cheese gets a solid like 8.5 out of 10. Fire. French fries, bussin'. Super salty though. Fire. Good crunch. Shit, it's crunchy though. You can hear it. Papoo's overall, give it a 9 out of 10. I like this place a lot.